Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable sensitive content on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. Unfortunately, you can't enable sensitive content on Telegram app, so you have to open up any web browser, let it be Safari, and then just go to webgram.org, just like that. This site offers to download the app or start messaging. I'm just gonna hit at start messaging. It may ask you to go through login process with the confirmation of your phone number, and once you did that you can tap right here at three dots icon and select settings. On settings, scroll down until you find privacy and security. Then scroll down to the very bottom, and then right here you can find disable filtering feature that allows you to display sensitive media in public channels on all your Telegram devices. So in order to enable sensitive content on your Telegram account, just enable this feature. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.